Magandang umaga sa'yo. Hayaan mo makipagkamay ako sa'yo sa ngalan ng pakikipagkaibigan.
Tepaan mo yan eh.
Wala talagang nakakalusot sa'yo, no?
Ano bang gusto mo?
Dama ko na nangangamba ka, natatakot, nalilito. Hayaan mong ipaliwanag ko sa'yo. Tulungan niyo ako, mga bata!
Kamanda na naman si Captain!
Here you are on a boat, you're adrift, you're afloat, one might even say you're stuck. Well, I don't want to gloat, but I would like to note that you're in luck. You've been saved by the ape that rules these waters, so forget about your wives and daughters. First mate, introduce me to them, please.
Aye, aye, Captain Gut. He's the big and scary, elegant and very fear-inspiring, huge, losing, stealing,
Banana peeling.
English.
That's me.
Is he?
That's me.
Is he?
That's me.
Is he?
Tama na, benta na.
I'm a primate pirate pioneer, and these are my brave buccaneers, all of whom were once lost souls like you.
Oh!
He rescued us.
He saved our butts. For that, we owe our lives to Gut, and assuming he doesn't kill you,
Patayin sila? Ako? Aba, hindi, no? Pwes hindi itong malaki at mapapakinabangang mammoth na ito.
Huwag mo nga ako hawakan.
Saan na nga ba ako?
Here we are on a ship moving at quite a clip through the ever-shifting ice.
come along on the trip.
That's a hint. That's a tip. That's good advice.
In a world that's slowly under, to survive you must learn to wonder. Luckily, that's my field of expertise.
He's the best.
He's a Robin Hood.
Ayaw naming malibig.
O kahit na magiling.
Slay.
Pwede pa bang bumalimbing?
Yeah, you guessed it, master.
Bangis.
That's me. That's me. It's who? Just testing I do. It's me.
Hindi kami